Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is perfect for your feline friend, and it is a great interactive toy. My cat absolutely loves this. So this was sent over by a company called Hyfico, and it is, like I said, an interactive cat toy. You're going to get this little box here. Inside that, you're going to get some user instructions. Pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go over all the features right here in the video. So you're going to get this little ball here, and it has this optional kind of like fuzzy part, which has little bunny ears on it. You can take this off, and then you can also choose to put on the tail. There's a little groove here. You can just kind of slide that around, or you can just leave it off by itself. And then to power it up, it does come with a short little USB to USB-C charging cable, so you can power this up. It's gonna take about 2 hours to fully charge if it's dead, and you're gonna get about an hour's worth of run time out of it. Now that's gonna depend on the various modes out of this. So it has 3 different interactive modes, which is absolutely very cool. So if you turn it on, the first mode is going to be just blue. This is the fast mode. It's just gonna go flying all over the place. If you hold down the power button and then tap it, it will change to the next mode, which is purple. This is the slow mode. So if you have an older senior cat, they'll like this mode a little bit more. And then you'll have, if you tap it again, you'll have the green mode. This is the interactive mode. So this mode will move, and then if they basically bat it around, then it'll go up again. So it requires their interaction to continue to run. So depending on your mode, like obviously the faster one's gonna eat up more battery, the slower one's gonna eat up less, the interactive one's just gonna depend how much they play with it. But it's not just this. So what makes this cool device is it's gonna come with this 28-inch round playmat here that has a zipper on the one side. It's not Velcro, so you just simply toss the ball in here, you zip this shut, so that way the ball can't get out. And then it just runs around in this little kind of case, if you will, and they get the little crinkly of the case. You can see it moving around, but they can't quite see what it is. At nighttime, it's got the little blinking lights on it, so that draws even more attention to it. And it will run for about 5 minutes, and then it'll auto turn off unless it gets batted again. So that's another nice feature to just help save that energy aspect of it. But it's a lot of fun. My cat absolutely loves it. It just immediately, you can turn this on and he'll hear the rustling. And if he's in another room, he'll all of a sudden come to investigate. And if it's on like the super fast mode, it's moving so fast, he'll like just lift his paw and he's like, I don't know what to do, because by the time I swat at it, it's like gone. So it's a lot of fun. I'm telling you, either kind of lazy cats to young and generative cats, we're gonna really, really like this product. So if you are in the market and you're looking for an absolutely amazing cat toy to try, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.